Hey, have you ever wondered how students get into top colleges like Harvard and Stanford? Well, today we're going to uncover the secrets behind a good restrictive early action strategy. So buckle up because we're about to crack the code. Restrictive early action is an admissions process where students apply early to their dream colleges. But if accepted, they are not bound to attend like early decision policies. So it seems like a win-win, right? Well, it's not that simple. For most students who are not nationally ranked athletes, a politician's kid has a family that purchased a building on campus or got a perfect SAT score and took 10 AP courses, then restrictive early action or early decision is statistically your only way in. So here's the catch. If you apply restrictive early action, and note that only some colleges have it, like Harvard as well as Stanford, you cannot apply early decision to any other college. However, you can apply early action or rolling to a fantastic list of state schools we call public Ivies, like University of Michigan, University of Florida, University of Texas at Austin, UNC Chapel Hill, University of Virginia, and many, many more. Additionally, if you are rejected by the college during the restrictive early action process, you are typically notified in time to apply to early decision 2 colleges, some great colleges like Boston College, Colorado College, Rhodes College, and many more. So this is not, do your research because this is not one size fits all. In the end, cracking the code of restrictive early action requires careful consideration. Don't rush into decisions. They could have long-lasting consequences. So take the time to explore your options and find the best path. Consult with your parents, right? But if you try for restrictive early action, that's going to typically be your best way into these top-tiered colleges or even the Ivy Leagues. Number one, if you don't make it in, don't sulk, jump on to early decision 2 and look at these deadlines here for early decision 2 and try for some of those great colleges, right? As well as making sure you apply to your state university early action or rolling if they offer it, as well as a bunch of other public Ivies like University of Virginia and many, many others. So where there's a will, there's a strategy. Good luck.